It's a beautiful day across the moor. Listen as the lion roar from the jungle to the shore, as I fall wonder that the elephants that have adored the corridor to the court. Here comes the magistrate with the matter he waits, forming the hate between man and nature. Listen to the singing dogs as the sound rings out, as they sing and around the bell. Man must live his life in bliss. He will burn nature at the turn of a kiss. Listen to the sound of the trumpets as they play for the ceremonial opening of the gate, for the return of the magistrate.